What's up everyone, and welcome to not a vlog. Actually, this is going to be a build series, the truck build. So a new episode. In this episode I'm actually going to get a new front bumper installed, and let me tell you, I'm super excited for this. I've been waiting to get this package for so long now. Or not long like that, when I've been wanting this part for so long. The delivery time was actually super quick, so I said that wrong. Anyway, so it's not just any bumper, it's actually a move bumper. I'm super excited. I got it here. I opened the package already. The plan now is try to get it up on the truck. It's super heavy. I think it's like 60 or 70 kilos. I'm not sure how much that is in like US measurements. I'm not sure what you use. So there's no chance of me lifting it up. So I had to open the package and take some of the like metal parts out, so it's not as heavy. So let's try to do this now and see how it goes. This is how it comes. As you can see, this is the biggest, like the metal part. It's super heavy duty, so like look at this material. It's super thick, so you can only imagine how heavy this is. It was heavy, but it wasn't that bad. So let's get the other parts in. This. I think that's everything. Also, I'm not going to forget to bring my LED bars from AUXBEAM, because I'm going to install them in the bumper, and also like pod lights on each side. So I need to get that down from the shelf up there. Honestly, I can't remember if I showed you the new logos on the truck. If not, here it is. It's like fluorescent pink. It doesn't really like pick up on the camera, but let me tell you, this color is insane. It's probably not the best moment to show how it looks like, because the truck is super dirty, as you can see. I was going to wash it, but it's been raining, so there's no point of that. But yeah, let's get everything loaded up and head to a garage where I'm gonna get help with welding everything together. Here is the LED bar from AUXBEAM. Also I got the pod lights I was talking about. Looking like this. I got 4 of this. This one is a 32 inch, also RGB, like I have in the front, like the big one. And the thing is with this is that the bumper only got it cut out for 30 inch. This is a 32 inch. So I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna cut in the bumper, if I'm gonna like install it behind. I guess we'll figure it out along the way. Okay, so I already know I'm gonna be stuck in traffic, which sucks. So I'm just gonna skip it until I get there, instead of trying to film a B-roll for you as always. So I finally got here and got the parts unpacked. Here's some of them, and we got more there. So we're busy removing the stock bumper. So it's time to get it welded on.
Ja, men det blir ju bra.
Okay, so it's on now. It's looking great already. So they're trying to get everything lined up right now. It's looking pretty good. And the parts fit like pretty good together as well. So it's taking shape and it's pretty much the side slab. And then we're ready to take it off again and weld everything together. So the bumper is removed and it's gonna weld everything together now. Look at that, that's amazing. So it's taking shape, it's the inside for the LED bar now. This is installing the pod lights mounts, and that's how they look like on the inside.
Ska jag in i ramarna?
Du lyfter upp lite ser ut. Är det bra?
Ser du om hålen passar? Det är bara att stoppa i skruven. 2 på varje sida typ.
So the bumper is pretty much done now. The last thing we're doing now is making some mounts for the LED bar because the stock ones didn't fit. Other than that, it looks super good. Look at this welds. Hold on, let me get some focus. There we go. It's super nicely done. Yeah, and I'm super happy with the result. So I'll show you how it looks like when I put it on the truck. Okay guys, so here we got the result. I thought I was filming yesterday, but apparently the mic was off, so here it is. I'm super happy with the result. So the next step is to get this painted in bed liner and also installing the pod lights on those and over there as well. Also this hook, hold on, as you can see, it's way too big, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna get new ones or if I'm only gonna get like a distant thing spacer like in between there so it doesn't like move. Also those are gonna get like sandblasted and painted in pink probably. I'm probably gonna try to install the pod lights now and just see how it looks like on and see if I can get them fitted on good before like doing the paint. I'm gonna remove everything once again, but I will need someone to help me carry this off because it's super heavy. And of course, if you're interested in getting your own move bumper, I'll leave the link in the description, so make sure to check that out. What's up guys? So I'm sitting here with the bumper and I had it on the truck for a while, so you can see it's a bit rusty, so I'm gonna prepare this and then I'm gonna coat it with Raptor liner. So let's get started. So these are the products that I got. This is like 1 liter and this is the primer that is for bare metal. And I also got this. This is Hammerite. Because I'm not sure if this is gonna be enough for the front side and the back side. So if not, I'm gonna cover it with this on the back side because it's like rust protective. And also I got a gun for it. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna grind all the welds down and after that I'm gonna go over with 150 or 180, I'm not sure, sandpaper and just scuff the whole thing down and also use this where I can't reach like in the corners and stuff. And then it's ready to prime, so let's do it.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clean.
Okay, so I'm done grinding down all the welds. I'm just gonna go over with this thing now and sand the whole thing down before I put the primer on.
I don't wanna lose you I don't wanna lose you now.
So I'm pretty much done preparing it, and it's now time for primer, which is this one that is not in focus at all right now. Anyways, this is, hold on, how it looks like. So I'm gonna do the outside first with this one, and hopefully it's enough to do several coats with this one on the inside as well. If not, I'm just gonna use this one on the inside. But yeah, I'm gonna start with the outside now, and I'm gonna stop talking. So I'm gonna start doing like all the weird corners and edges first, and then I'm gonna do the whole thing.
There is only one thing on my mind. Hey, hey.
So it's time to put the bed liner on. If you're wondering about this, I just covered my bags because I don't want them to get like paint over them. So this is the hardener that I'm gonna pour into this bottle, and then I bought this nozzle, whatever that's called, paint gun, and you just screw this one directly onto the bottle and spray it on, and hopefully it's enough product to cover the whole thing. I hope so at least, but yeah, that's it. Also, I need to shake this for 2 minutes, so I'll be back in 2 minutes. Bye.
I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, hey, hey. I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, hey, hey. I just wanna see you on my new grave.
I noticed now that I didn't have any sound on this clip, but I'm pretty sure I said something like, so I've done the first coat now and it looks super nice. I'm just trying to figure out if I should do the inside as well, because I have enough product, but at the same time I don't want to flip it over yet. But other than that, I'm gonna do another coat because you can see a little bit through the primer, and yeah, that's about it, I think. I'm not sure what I said exactly, but so this is how it looks like after the first coat, and it's already looking good, but you can see through a bit of the primer, so I need to go at least one more time. So here we got the result, guys. It looks super nice, and the finish of it is also, hold on, let's see if I can get in focus. So yeah, there you can see the finish and like the texture of it. Yeah, as I said, I'm super happy with it. The only thing that bothers me is that plastic part over there under the grill, because that one is like bent up, so it looks like the bumper is skew, which is not. So yeah, I need to figure that out somewhere. Oh yeah, I also forgot to say that I got my pod lights installed and the LED bar from AUXBEAM now. I didn't show you that before. That also turned out super great. Also, I can change the lights on this one. Let me show you on my phone here. So as you can see, it turned orange or amber now. And also you can adjust the brightness, as you can see. So yeah. Anyways, don't forget to check the link in the description. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you want to see more bold episodes. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Hey, I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey.